I'm Barbara Ressler. I'm VP of Process Sciences at RoslinCT. So I oversee process and analytical development at Roslin. We are very excited to be here at Mesa this year, and we are fascinated by the developments in the allogeneic cell space. We are working at RoslinCT to develop disruptive technologies to be able to deliver these allogeneic therapies to the patients who need them the greatest number of patients in one particular batch. We're not there yet. The industry is not there yet, but we are working hard to make the allogeneic therapy a reality for our patients. This week's meeting on the Mesa 2024, has been a terrific meeting. We've got to meet a lot of potential partners and meet with a lot of potential providers that we can collaborate with to expand our services. And we had an excellent company presentation yesterday and had a lot of good feedback from the people in the audience.